Hi everybody, welcome back to Speak with Monique with me, Monique. And I have another video talking about the Do It FRO the Culture collection from the Main Choice. This time I'm going to actually get into it and use the products on my hair. I just didn't have enough time last time, but like I promised, I was going to come back and show you how I do it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to twist my hair with those products, but I also want to let you know, thank you so much for all your comments and your subscriptions and just the views. It's been really awesome seeing that over the last few days, so I hope that that continues. I encourage you all to comment and I love to interact with you all. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to shampoo my hair. I'm going to focus on my roots because it's been a while since I washed my hair. I had braids and then I did this twist out and I've just been like doing different styles to kind of keep it going, like this one. It's just pigtails but some embellishment. But I'm going to go ahead, wash my hair, and then I'll come back on the camera while I apply my leave-in conditioner and the buttery gel. So see you in a little. Alright, I'm back. Okay, my hair is clean after shampooing with that. It felt pretty good. I liked it. It did set up pretty quickly and it didn't feel stripped or anything like that. It still feels really moisturized, but I did not detangle my hair in the shower because I just had shampoo, so I couldn't really detangle with shampoo. I needed conditioner, and my hair is super tangled from having it and a twist out and just like re-wetting it, and I know better than doing that, but that's what I did and now I have to pay for it. So I modified my dimming brush. I just got this thing actually. Took out a row, every other row. Let's see how it goes with me putting this in it. I like to use a bunch, so like I said before, it smells really good. I feel like I'm about to put like a mask on my hair, but I did not buy the mask that they have for it. It feels really nice. Awesome. It smells good. And let's start detangling. Ugh, this is my first time using the dim, I don't know how I feel about it. I mean, it might sound terrible, but it's going through pretty nicely, actually. There we go. That feels really nice. Moisturize. I'm just gonna twist this section. I'm gonna do big twists all over my head to let it stretch a little bit more before I do the final twist. Twist and then twist out. Because I don't want it to shrink up crazily. So I'm sure if I had detangled it before, it wouldn't be this bad. Alright, hey, I'm back and this is what my hair looks like now. So I've been to class, it's late, and I'll just show you what it looks like right now. So I twisted it all over except for this one section. It's pretty dry at this point. It was, I guess, I'd say probably about 50% dry when I did it. Like I re-wet sections and then I put the gel on. But I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I did it for these last couple pieces, and then I'll take it loose when it's dry. So just going to go ahead and get into it. I like to do them, you know, I'm going to make this too because I'm tired of doing these. But I like to make them not too big. This is just water that I put in here because I used the spray already. It has a little bit of oil in it, but it's basically just water. So, because my hair is all the way dry. So just rub it through. Stay on track. Start at the roots, of course. You can see the definition starting. Get some more. And not too much at the ends because my ends are kind of looser in the front of my hair. because I pull it back, but break it through with my fingers. See what it's looking like at the end. Split it and just going down, smoothing it. Keep it nice and clean and separate. All the way to the bottom. Alright, and the last one. See the definition? It was really, really coily in the back of my hair, but different parts of my hair look different, curl pattern wise, because my hair is very, very, very tightly coiled. But in the front, it's not really. So hopefully that means it's going to do pretty well when I take it loose. I like my hair to be defined though. Alright, so I just did the middle part. If I can find it. Okay, there we go. I'm so happy to be done with it. Okay. So it's looking right now. It feels really good. It feels moisturized. Some parts, there was one piece that's kind of hard in the middle. I was pretty liberal with it. Like I put a good amount in my hair because I wanted it to get as defined as it possibly can. So we'll just see how it looks. See, I need to trim these ends. This is not right. That's the size that I usually do. Alright, I'll see you when my hair's dry. Hey! Alright, so it's all dry and I've already started to take it loose. As you can see, I did this half. And I feel like the texture and the definition is exactly what I want. I just took them loose. I didn't fluff them. I didn't separate them at all. And this is what I've gotten so far. So up close so you can see how it's looking. It moves really well. It smells great, feels great, it looks great. It's I think it has a nice shine to it too. I've only done half. I'll take a loose like a couple of them on camera. I have nothing on my hands right now, no oil. And that's just how it comes loose. Okay, so last update. This is what my hair looks like after a whole day of me being out and about. It's not really humid today in Valdosta / Tallahassee, but I think that it's grown a little bit. It's like puffed out ever so slightly. The front of my hair held up really well. Like I said, usually that poofs up throughout the day and it's still quite defined, so I really, really like that about this. Touching my hair, when people touched my hair, they all thought that it was still really soft too, so I love that about this collection. I definitely will be using this and buying it again. I like this gel and I also like the braid out. What is it called? Shiny braid from Main Choice too, but that one is amazing too. It just makes my hair so shiny. But this one does too, so I mean I'm almost out of that one, so I'm gonna use this up and I'm not sure which one I'll buy next, but I really do like this line and I hope that you guys like this video. I know there's lots of outfit changes in it, but I worked really hard on this for y'all, so I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you liked about it. Go ahead, subscribe, share this with your friends, your family, and I'll see you next time. Hey everybody! No.